Hello, and welcome to our video today. In the current global business climate, many companies are looking to diversify their supply chains and also lowering manufacturing costs. And one option to consider is expanding or starting up operations in Mexico. But doing business in a foreign country can be challenging, especially when you factor in language barriers, cultural differences, and legal regulations. That's where shelter services providers come in. Working with a trusted shelter services provider like American Industries allows companies to focus 100% on what they do best: their manufacturing operations, engineering, quality control, maintenance, design, scheduling, etc., while maintaining full control over production, quality, raw materials, and their machinery and equipment. At the same time, foreign companies can pass off the high learning curve side of doing business in a foreign country to us. From human resources and staffing needs to networking and taking advantage of a well-established network of suppliers and economies of scale, American Industries has got you covered. And when it comes to relocating employees, we can assist with everything from visa applications to finding schools and helping people get their bearings in a new place. This ensures that companies have a solid foundation from the start as they establish and expand in Mexico. Having a trusted shelter services partner like American Industries gives foreign companies peace of mind, knowing that they have an entire team behind them with the expertise and knowledge gained from working with companies across all types of industries, including the automotive, medical devices, aerospace, among others. In many ways, American Industries acts as a facilitator, supporting companies and ensuring that everything is in place for them to expand and succeed as quickly as possible. We keep a constant pulse on clients' short and long-term interests, always abreast of changing regulations, laws, and agreements that may affect operations, and finding ways to save money, make processes more agile, and optimize all aspects of a company's back office. By having a trusted support team, clients will be set up to excel on all levels. They can provide the best working conditions for their employees, thereby reducing turnover, ensuring compliance with all tax and other obligations, and take advantage of all government programs available, such as the AMEX program for international companies in Mexico. They can also count on a seamless flow of goods, effortless customs clearance, maximize duty savings, and fast startup, among a range of other benefits, making what appears to be overwhelming into an easy-to-navigate pathway to success. So, if you're looking to expand your business and explore new opportunities in Mexico, consider working under American Industries partnership. It could be the key to unlocking your company's full potential. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information helpful. Reach out now and partner for success.